Okay, you guys have been asking. It's finally here. ASICS Gel Venture 11. These are my ASICS Gel Venture 10. JDV, the national champion here. We're gonna do, and third at the World Championships, we're gonna do a little comparison here. Brand new, hot off the presses, folks. First, I have to say this video is not sponsored by anyone. This is all my personal opinion only. I bought these with my own money. We're gonna do a little compare and contrast. I might do a little quick walking outside. I'm not fully set up for this, but I know I went, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Let me see if I can get that close. Unbelievable. Really sharp. Let's check that out. Okay. And you can see the GV11 right there. This is the 10 right here. And they're good. I mean, they were good. I found them a little bit tighter in this area right here. But overall, I felt like this was definitely the best Gel Venture out there overall. This 11 looks a little more substantial. Now you've got the Amplifoam Plus. That's something right there to think about. I can't wait to test that out. Also, this is a different little setup right here. Wow, you can see that. Look at that. Let's see if we can figure that out right here. Okay. All one construction. There's no edges there, nothing to flick up. See, compare it to this. See that? That shows up. So here, you're gonna have right there, different. That's a different setup. Now maybe that gives a little more space here, a little more comfort, right? So you can see how that is a sort of multi-layer construction. This is right, it's right there. It's all one piece. It's super, or it's very like, extremely minimized, in my opinion. I'm not making any claims. I'm just trying to observe this as I see here. There's like a little TDT, but it's like, it's right, it's so minimal. Like even in this, so you can see on the 10, how that weaves in here, and whereas here, it's just very, very uniform across that upper. That's really cool. And you can see how this is very shiny. Yeah, so I feel like this is, I mean, straight off the bat, way more refined, in my opinion. I also perceive more cushion here. Again, it's pretty slight. I think this is an evolution, not a revolution, if you will. But overall, pretty cool. And I think this is, the tongue here is a slight bit thinner, more sort of streamlined. You can see kind of like a ribbed design here. You can see that ribbed design here, if that's picking up, versus this sort of slightly thicker grid design here on the 10. I'm impressed by this. I like it a lot. Let's take it outside right now. Let's just try it, get some vibe on it, and I'll tell you what I think, and I'll be right back at you. Hey everyone, what's good? Got Janine over here, she's gonna help out. I can just tell you immediately, these shoes feel very comfortable. The Amplifoam Plus is a big win, no doubt about it. Let me show you what that looks like. Definitely more cushion, I can tell you that right now. She's ready to run. She's ready to do some stuff. Definitely more cushion, I'm liking it right now. So let me see this.
Let me see if these shoes are. Tell me if this is okay. Do you feel any pain? Do you feel comfortable?
Actually, you know what, Kim? That's a great point. Okay, Janine just brought up a really, really good point. So if you look at this right here, on the 10, this was tighter. Here, with this construction, you can see it's much more flexible. I'm feeling more comfortability here, but it's still more streamlined. That's a big deal. I think ASICS really figured that out. So I have a more sort of, I would call it a pro type of shoe. Now, I'm not a pro runner or anything like that, but I'm just saying that this is more serious shoe, in my opinion. But it's not tight in the front anymore. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. That's a big change, big move. Similar, I mean, same kind of tread, very good. I'm liking it, comfortable on that. Honestly, I kind of feel like running low key. This is not even that bad. Dude, I'm starting to because I've got more cushion now. I've never felt this good on a Gel Venture series before. this Amplifoam, it's the real deal.
So if you could see now here, these shoes can run very fast and it's very comfortable.
Honestly, that was the most fun I had running in a long time. This is impressive. By far the best Gel Venture shoe I've ever had. Like, okay, so fit-wise, in terms of the style and the fashion, how do you feel about it, Janair?
I feel like the shoes is very, very flexible and is suited for you.
Wow, does it look good? Better than the other ones? Nice. Did I look kind of fast?
Yes.
A little bit like I know what I'm doing? Like maybe Daddy was a champion at some point? Wow, we don't want to push it that far.
My friend Scooter can go faster than you.
Okay, fine. Listen, wrapping up, these ASICS Gel Venture 11, this is absolutely 100% without question the best Gel Venture shoe that I've ever had. And I've had like everything from the Gel Venture 6 on forward, I've had, including the Gel Venture 9 waterproof, multiple copies often of the different ones at different times. Just depends on when the next one was coming out and how worn out my other ones were. But this is just super good. So you can see, I mean, just a massive improvement. The biggest thing is that I don't know if you can see right here. You know, these are both 10.5 right here. I don't know size difference if that's really going to show up. But the bottom line is, I can just tell you, from a practical standpoint, this was a bit tight. This is not. And just from a comfort standpoint, the extra Amplifoam Plus and the new toe box and the fit and function of this sort of new upper construction, it's just unbelievable. I love this too. This is nice. It feels a little bit more flexible, breathable, cushy, if you will. I don't know. They did a great job. Overall, I mean, I'm not a runner, and I was having fun running. I can just tell you that right now. So it's very, very cool. I didn't want to push it too much because I'm just trying to get it back together, and I'm not a kid anymore. But bottom line for me is, this is a phenomenal, phenomenal shoe. Hats off to ASICS for this development right here. I think they really, really got it right. I love the look of it. I love the feel of it. It's comfortable. I give a rating in the class of shoe that it's in and what it's designed for. This is a trail running shoe. And, you know, there's shoes that are, you know, at a whole different segment, if you will. This is not a luxury shoe. I think this is a mainstream shoe. But it's not a competition shoe, but it's starting to get some features that are a little bit more, I think, competition inspired, if you will. The comfort level is up. Listen, there's a reason I've been buying so many ASICS Gel Venture shoes, and I keep coming back to them because they just absolutely work from a day-to-day perspective. They work in the gym, they work walking, they work running, they work, you know, off-road, they work when I'm doing real estate stuff, and I want to, you know, I might be going from pavement to inside a house, maybe the house isn't finished, whatever. Like, it's just great. I mean, it just overall works really well, and this is the best version of it. So with that being said, this is my initial impression on this is I'm going to give this, you know, listen, I think anywhere from 9.9 to 10 out of 10 is fair. And I think that, you know, I'm okay anywhere in there. I think, you know, that being said, at this point, I can give it a 10 out of 10 because they addressed the issues this was already a really good shoe, the 10. They addressed the issues with this head on and they upped the game. I saw some people say that, you know, this is maybe not super revolutionary, but I got to tell you that it didn't need to be. That the changes that they made, in my opinion, were revolutionary in terms of more, you know, foam right here and comfort and spring. It looks cool. This is all, the construction is nice here. It's not gonna, hopefully it wears better. It certainly looks better, but also it's more comfortable right here. So, I mean, you know, a shoe that looks better, that's more comfortable, that has more protection, that has a cool, new, futuristic design and has more space right here, that's an absolute home run. I'm saying 10 out of 10. I think it's a great shoe. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. It's really, really fantastic. That's my initial impression. I think ASICS did a really, really good job here. Our family likes it. Your family may like it as well. For Janair, I'm John. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.